Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonderland. It's time to explore the world with us within few minutes. The Pacific Ocean is Earth's largest ocean, covering about 1/3 of our planet's surface. Its area is about 161,760,000 square kilometers. The fascinating thing is all the continents on Earth could fit inside the Pacific Basin. The total area taken up by land on Earth is about 148 million square kilometers. Water covers about 2/3 of Earth's surface, and half of this is in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Basin is slowly shrinking due to tectonic movement, and some of the plates that make up the ocean floor are sliding under the continental plates that make up the land. The Ring of Fire is a zone around the edge of the Pacific that contains more than 3/4 of the world's volcanoes. 9 out of 10 earthquakes also take place here. The sad truth is Great Pacific Garbage Patch is an area up to 15 million square kilometers. That contains trash, mostly plastic, that has been dumped in the ocean and swept together by the currents. Thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned with us for more and exciting facts in our universe. Like, share and subscribe.